let's begin. I have a couple of points to cover before we start the lecture today. So as usual, homework 9 will be due on Monday, and we are hoping that your term project or your course project that's going well, because I think it will be due in 2-3 weeks. And if you need any help or you have any concerns, any questions regarding that project, let us know. You can write us an email. You can come to the office hours. Okay, so don't hold this like until last minute. And one more thing, this SPI, the student perception of instruction, I think it will be available on your web courses or when you log into your MyUCF. So I think for all the courses which you're taking, you will get that list. So it will be great if you can do that. And I would like to tell you that that evaluation, it's totally anonymous and it won't be released before you have your grades handed over. It. So it will release only when you received your grades. So you don't have to worry about it. So SPI is student perception of instruction. So it's like there will be some questions, I think 8 or 9 questions, and hardly I think it will take a couple of minutes. So it's like asking you how was your experience in this course. It's from the university. Okay, and I think you will receive that for all the courses you are taking. So when you will log into your MyUCF account, then I think that pop-up will come every time. So until you have done that. So once you're finished, I think it will not show you that, but otherwise you should get that pop-up to finish it. Okay. And if you have any issue like in filling that up or you are not seeing that form, just let us know, and we will try to fix that for you. Okay. So before we begin, any questions?